So we got Sierra, Michaela, Sandra, Beaches, and Bobby. This is gonna be our last beach day before school starts. So with that said, get into the video. Remember guys, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, and I gotta publicize this. I'm on Twitch every Wednesday at 8 p.m. doing live game streaming. Just wanted to throw that out there. Channel is called All Purpose Champ and Crew. Find me. And that said, Neymar. And now your mama knows. Sandy Beaches.
It's messed up.
We're here. Oh yeah. The wind is blowing a little too hard for my taste. Let's see. These babies get in. Come on, just do what you gotta do. Get it over with. Do what you gotta do and get over it. Go ahead. Whoa, God. Well, are you getting in? Are you getting in? You getting in?
Yeah.
All right.
Later.
At least we got one getting in.
Later.
Because I'm not getting in. I probably not. I think that was a little bit cold, so I'm gonna lay down. Check it out. Michaela is no joke. Everybody's scared to get in, and she is getting in. We always gotta have one of us that's not afraid. Wow. Alright, cool. She make it worth it. I was gonna feel like, oh man, what's the point of coming here? Nobody's gonna get in the water. Give me 5. Oh man, you got in. So is it that cold enough? Cool. But look, you make coming here worth it. Because I think you're going to be the only person in. So I just want to say thank you for making it worth it. Thank you. Now go jump back in. Let's see. Sierra's going back out there. We got Sandy just relaxing. Bobby's just relaxing. So at the end of the day, if this is just a relaxing day at the beach, oh well, I'm gonna lay down. Ab Ripper X. I always want to say that. Alright guys, so the reason why we're doing this last beach day is because we got a list of things that we want to accomplish before the summer's over. It might be a stretch, but we want to go to driving, we want to go to Great Adventures, we want to go to Long Beach Island, we want to go to the chicken or the egg once we came to Long Beach Island. One day we want to eat some crabs. We also want to go to Ocean City, Maryland, to go to the Secret. I'm out. I just had to fill y'all guys in, right? Now you filled in. Name up. Oh, Sandy, got anything to say? Was that the peace sign? Or that means number 2? Alright, gotta go guys. Because as of earlier, she's trying to tell me that I'm hers. And
I'm married.
yeah, but I try to tell her that marriage doesn't mean slavery.
That doesn't make sense.
Yes, it does. You said I'm yours. You want me to do whatever you want. What? Like I said, marriage doesn't equal slavery.
It's not slavery. It's just culture.
And we're not even going to get in the fact that you're white and I'm black. She's going to cut that out there. Right?
I guess not.
Name on it. Alright, they're going to jump in. Oh, look at Sierra. That's what I'm talking about. These kids making us not come all the way out here for nothing. Alright. She caught one. Let's see.
I got a sand crab.
Oh wow, look at that. Here, put him down, let's see him run. For his life. Little guy. He's trying to make it. Oh, he made it. She got one now. Oh wow, here, put it down and let us see it run. For his life, he's out. Like, I'm out. I'm out. Oh, he got stuck. The water got him. Oh, my man. All right. Oh, watch this kid. Ooh, that's cool. All right.
You're not supposed to record radio.
I'm recording you guys. Ain't my fault you walked in my shot. That's pretty cool. Oh, that was cool. All right, anyway, I'm out.
Bye.
Going to lay down. Deuces. The moment you thought you was sleeping and your husband do something stupid. I was about to throw something on you. Alright, I'm coming to lay down. Time to relax. Sandra Beaches.
Yeah, he's taking.
I am. Y'all did. This is the Glitter Sisters photo shoot. Yep. They're trying. There you go. Let me see you walk around. Yep, slavery is back in.
Walk that way.
You got anything you want to say to the people that's going to be watching?
And now you're standing.
That's it?
Oh wait, we got one more post.
What about any of your friends? You don't want to say what's up, y'all?
I have no friends.
Yeah, that's believable. You don't want to do a shout out to, you know, some people?
No. Shout out all to the request. And shout out to that umbrella that's blowing everywhere. Look.
Oh, look, and somebody's trying to chase it. Oh, he's going for it.
It's not even his umbrella, they say. Shout out to everybody that's not at the beach and is in the house being bored.
He gave up.
People are going after him now.
That was funny. Oh, somebody's going. That umbrella is gone. Will he catch it?
That's a new person chasing it.
Will he catch it?
Nope.
Yo, it's gone. Somebody got to grab it from.
No, they catch it. Oh, look, they caught it. Hopefully down inside over there.
Wow.
I wonder whose umbrella. I think somebody whose umbrella.
You got a winner.
Like, you can have it. Imagine if they accidentally let it go.
That was funny.
They don't even know whose it is.
Alright, Glitter Sisters.
Shout out to everybody who's not at the beach and is at their home. Yeah.
And
shout out to.
you all serious as she's sitting there doing all these dances behind you?
Shout out to Shout out to our shadows.
Shadows?
Shout out to them. Shout out to our shadows. See, look. You can see them.
Okay, well, thank you for entertaining us. Yeah. Alright?
Shout out to my leg.
Alright, goodbye.
Shout out to her weed.
Goodbye.
Oh wait, we got it. And now you're standing on. Oh!
Alright, check it out. Is something wrong with this picture? Those are supposed to be your new boots?
Yes, they're out for $355 from the designer Michaela's hardware shop.
Wow. I don't think anybody want to wear boots from a hardware shop.
I'm in partnership with the Dolan twins. They definitely said they're going to put on their shop because I love them. So yeah, Dolan twins. She's obsessed.
Nice. Alright.
They told me that. Trust me.
Alright guys, it's like a ritual. If you come to LBI, you gotta go to the chicken or the egg.
Oh, I thought it was and.
Yeah, buddy. Check it out. Oh yeah. Robert, Michaela, Sierra, and Sandy. So let me zoom in. Alright.
Wings and cheese. Oh, so sodas.
Oh yeah. It's going down. Sexiest chicken you ever seen right there. Craziest chicken you ever seen. And well, there's eggs in a dozen. Now, let's see what else we got on the walls. Oh yeah. My beautiful pancakes.
Bacon syrup and butter fuse.
Oh yeah.
Enjoy, guys.
Alright, thank you very much.
No problem.
Oh man, look at those wings. Look at those chicken fingers. Look at that. What do you got? Parm, right?
Chicken parmesan.
Chicken parm what?
Parmesan.
Chicken. Alright, looks good. Looks good, man. Alright, so check it out. This is Sierra's reactions of her first bite of her chicken parm. I think you just got a little exorcism right there. Are your eyes rolled into the back of your head?
That's good stuff right there.
It's good?
It's so good.
And look at Michaela's face. She's like, oh man, it's great. I'm not eating it.
The cheese is really good too.
What about you, Bobby? Good stuff? Yeah.
Can you tell?
No, what about your stuff? Is it good?
Yeah.
What about you, Michaela? Is it good? You've been quiet this whole time, just scarfing down. Yeah.
And the garlic bread, it was the same. It was like, oh my god.
Yeah. And my pancakes are pretty good. And for some reason, their bacon is like extra tasty. Oh yeah.
Because you like the burnt.
Ah, maybe.
What are you recording?
That balloon in the middle of the street.
Yeah, it's a balloon bouncing around in the middle of the street.
It has confetti in it.
And people are really trying to avoid the square.
I think it's gonna do something to their car, I guess.
Oh, it's over there. I don't even see it.
Yeah, it finally flew across the street. Oh, let's see if it's over there.
Right there now.
It's right there. Look, Sierra.
Oh, it's still bouncing. This is crazy.
Look, it's just flying up.
Oh.
Let's see if their car hit it.
Why are they trying to avoid it?
It's in front of our car now.
Is it?
There's confetti in it though.
Look.
Wow.
There's the balloon.
There it goes.
Yeah, there's confetti in it, so when it pops, confetti's gonna fly out.
That's so
Wow.
funny. Look, it's still flying around.
Well, you don't see that every day. Where?
Over on the sidewalk.
Oh,
There
it's
it
going
is.
to
Oh yeah, look. Bye, little balloon.
Safe journey.
Safe journey.
It's all confetti. It's just a balloon. No, the confetti
popped.
popped.
And the confetti came out.
Oh wow.
The run of the rocks popped it.
Oh wow.
Oh, so much for a safe journey.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And now, your mama knows.